Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have a huge Gratis haul for the month of April. I have been filming several videos today, so if you find that I look tired or I'm stumbling over my words, I'm just exhausted. I'm also being super low class and just having a beer. Alright, so my Gratis has been scribed out 3 different times, but it's a little bit here and a little bit there, but I do have one pretty big bag. So first I'm just going to grab a couple of smaller ones that has some skincare items in them and go through those. So this first one just has a few little items, and if you're not familiar, Gratis is essentially free product that Sephora gives its employees. There's also other companies that do this as well, but it's very common at Sephora. That's why you see a lot of videos like these float around. I'm very fortunate with a lot of the things that I get. It's so nice. It helps me on my channel. It helps me at work. So I'm very glad to be able to receive these things and very, very appreciative. So please don't feel like I'm bragging or anything. A lot of people just find these videos really cool, especially if you're someone who's like, oh, I'd like to work at Sephora. This is obviously going to be like a really fun perk of working there. So people are interested in seeing these, and I really enjoy making them too, because a lot of times I go through and I'm like, wow, I forgot about that. So let's dive right in. The first item is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, and this is the Captain Marvel bottle, so it looks a little bit different and I find it really cool. So there's like little constellations on the side. Look at that. One's like a little cat, and then this one's upside down, but it's like a different cat. Look how cute. So this is actually the 1.7 ounce bottle. This is amazing. Rarely do I get something that's this expensive, and this is just a very nice item. I love Sunday Riley skincare. If you haven't looked into it, definitely do so. They have some really good items. So that's first. I also got from Sunday Riley the Auto Correct. This is a brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. Say that right? Yeah, I said that right. So this one's really great for brightening the under eye area, helping to depuff, and it is good for fine lines as well. So I'm excited to use this. I tested it out for maybe like a week or two, and I had a really good result from it. I'm also having to stop using one of my eye creams that I'm currently using at the moment because it's causing me melia under my eye, which I don't normally have an issue with. So yeah, time to get a new one started. Next I have the Murad Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi Mist. So this one's good for hydrating and for setting the makeup as well. Very excited. This is like a brand new product, so very fortunate to get this. Again, brand new products. Thank you so much. One more product from Sunday Riley. This is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. So of course really good for fine lines and wrinkles. This is their stronger version of retinol. If you're someone starting out with retinol for the first time, or you have very sensitive skin, the Luna is a really good option. This one's going to be a stronger version, but I'm very excited to try this out. I love the Luna. Can't wait to do this one. On to the next bag. From Beauty Blender, I got the Electric Violet Swirl. Not much to say with that one. Everybody knows Beauty Blender is amazing and I can never have too many. I got the new Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. You know, I'm not going to go into great detail, but I'm just not really excited for Kat Von D products right now. I don't know. I'm just kind of over it at the moment. I have 2 things from NARS. This is a gloss in Dulce Vita, which I think this might have been a recently discontinued shade. I'm not sure though. And then their Velvet Matte Foundation Stick in Mont Blanc. That's the one that has like the little sponge on the end. I don't know how useful that's gonna be, but I do love me some NARS. I have something new from Drunk Elephant too, which I'm so excited about. This is the Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. So it's like banded together because it's got the little bamboo booster on top. So this one's multitasking. You can remove your makeup with it, or in the morning you can use a little bit of the balm and then add in the bamboo booster for an exfoliating cleansing treatment. So excited about this. I've used it on my hand at work, but I haven't used it on my face yet. I think I'm going to use that tonight because I actually have another one of these in this bag because we all got one, and then there were some extras and I was like, let me get that. A couple little Drunk Elephant minis, the B Hydra Intensive Serum and the A Passione Retinol Cream. Also got a new Milk product. This is the Kush Lash Primer in a black packaging. Lately, I've had 2 favorite mascaras, and it's been the Milk Kush mascara, and then the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. Those two have been my go-tos, hands down my favorites. I have on the CoverGirl one today, but I do love the Milk one as well. I got from Fenty Beauty, I got the Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer, and I got the shade Shady Biz, which is a gold packaging. It's really pretty. This is the next to lightest shade, I'm sure, and I felt like I probably needed the lightest, but I think I can definitely make this work. It's not so dark that I couldn't use it. So there you go. The lightest one is a little bit more akin to like milk chocolate. This one's just got a little bit more depth to it, but I definitely think I can make this work. It is nice to have a matte bronzer in your collection too, because so many bronzers have some shimmer to them. Now we can get into the big bag of goodies. I'm so excited. I need a little sip. I have a really good feeling that my camera's gonna die before I can finish this. So if I seem like I'm rushing, sorry. I got the Youth to the People Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Cleanser, just a little mini guy. I know that lately they have had a hard time keeping this in stock because everybody's been buying that cleanser. I got from Huda Beauty. This is the matte lipstick in Joyride. The packaging there. And that's the shade I got. Yeah, this formula does seem super nice. So sorry, I have old swatches. This is the shade Joyride right here in the middle. Another item from Youth to the People, I'm so excited about this one. It's the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So you put this one on at night like a sleeping mask. It also smells like fruit. It smells so good, and I cannot wait to give this one a try. And here is my other sleigh from Drunk Elephant. So I did get 2 of those. So excited. I got a little It Cosmetics stick-on mirror thing. A little mini from Glamglow. This is their Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Toner. I have the Super Cleanse. This one is so amazing. If you have issues with your pores becoming clogged or getting blackheads, this is amazing. I used this in my shower for the longest time. I used a whole tube up, and the entire time my pores look so clear. So I'm so happy to have that again. I got from Dior the Lip Maximizer. This is in like the clear shade. I got from Stila. This is the shade Mystere Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Psychic. That's what it looks like. I feel like these were kind of hit and miss. People have not been super excited about these for whatever reason. That's the shade Psychic. It is really pretty. This I was not expecting to receive. This is the Huda Beauty Nude Palette. And if you haven't seen it, I'll show you. So this palette is absolutely stunning. I actually already have this. So if you watched my New York vlog, then you'll know that I actually wore this palette the whole time I was in New York. And the only reason I took it with me was because I found out I was getting this one, and I was like, okay, good. So if something happens and it's broken, I have a backup. I probably would have taken like a palette I don't care as much about just in case. But yeah, very excited that nothing happened to it. I got a product from McGrath. This is the Fetish Eyes Mascara. It comes in this little package. I'm not gonna open it because I have so many mascaras. I didn't open the Kat Von D one either. I just have too many to open one right now. I've heard really good things. She is an expensive one. I think this one's like $28, $29. I got from Sephora Collection the Charcoal Mask to perfect pores. Oh, my camera overheated. This guy decided to take my seat. Yeah, stop it. Okay. Okay, let me put you down. Don't hurt me. Ow! I was just about to tell you guys about the last few items. So the next thing is the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Liquid Foundation. Very excited to try this out. I have heard mixed opinions on this, so I am going to give it a try. I have it in Alabaster, so I will definitely try it soon and let you guys know what I think. One more product from Glamglow. It is the Super Serum 6-Acid Refining Treatment. Very excited about this because this one's actually good for, I believe, pores and fine lines. If I'm not mistaken, I'll have to read up on it more. So happy to get so much from Glamglow. I got the Sephora Collection All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow Moisturizer. They do have a new skincare line if you're ever in Sephora and you want something really affordable but still some good ingredients. Check that out. I got one more tiny thing. Had a little bitty box from Biosense and it had 3 little products in it. It has the Squalane Tea Tree Balancing Oil. I might try that out on my nose where I get just a little bit oily and see how it does. And then the Squalane and Tea Tree Cleansing Gel along with the Squalane and Tea Tree Detox Mask. So 3 little items from Biosense. I've actually really enjoyed everything that I've tried from Biosense. I think they're a really good brand and their products tend to really agree with my skin. So maybe in the summertime when it's really hot and I get a little oily, this will be perfect to help balance all that out. So that is everything. I know that was a ton of products to go through, but I hope you guys stuck with me and saw all of it and enjoyed as well. If you have the time, please be sure to leave me a big thumbs up and also comment below and let me know if there's any products here that you would like to see me try out in a video. I know there was a lot of stuff, or I can do like a face full of first impressions and grab some of the newer products and try that out. Very happy to do that for you, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye. We do have one more thing to take care of. It is our dad joke. I can't stand Russian dolls. They're so full of themselves. That's bad.